Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are using your Garmin Connect for a while now, but suddenly you are basically having the not syncing issue. So your watch says connected but your app says no data. In today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to fix this type of issues, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So basically first and first, go and check the basics. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Your basically other device is fully connected also. I'm talking about internet or Bluetooth or whatsoever. Then we're gonna go open the Garmin Connect app for now. Then go all the way, make sure basically you are logged in into the correct account by using your email address and password. Then look at the device icon top right. Is there a green dot? If it's yes, it means that it's connected. If it's no, it's not connected. So if you can see no dot, toggle Bluetooth off and on your phone. Wait like 30 seconds between them. So as for now, we're gonna go try force async in the app itself. Pull down here from the top of the home screen and release. Watch for the spinning wheel. On your watch, also hold the light button, scroll to basically the two arrows is basically a sync icon. Tap it, then wait for a couple seconds. You can even try the reset combo. If it's still stuck, restart both devices. For the phone, just power it off and on. For the watch, hold top right button for like 10 to 15 seconds until it turns off. If that fails also, all you're gonna do is reinstall the app and install Garmin Connect completely, restart the phone, then reinstall it back, log into the correct account using the email address and password, and that's it. Your data basically is safe in the cloud, don't worry about it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.